Wants to see your SASSA payment instantly without standing in a queue? This works even if you've already received a grant. I will show you how to check next payment dates, errors, and status updates. I'm Ekow. I make money talk so you don't get played. Today, I will show you the fastest and the safest way to check your SASSA grant status online. Step 1. Go to the official website only by typing mysrd.co.za. Step 2. Under SASSA status check, tap Check Status. Step 3. Enter your ID and the cell phone number you used when applying. Then tap Submit. It will show you one of three things: approved, pending, or declined. If you are approved, tap Payment Date to see when exactly the next payout drops. If it says Application Not Found, re-enter your ID or re-register using the same phone number. Change phones. Update your number through SASSA's OTP link. Never share your OTP or your ID number with anyone outside the official site. There are too many fake SASSA links out there. Now that you know your status, let's make that grant stretch further. Watch this playlist, How to Make Extra Money on the Side. Share this video with someone who needs to see this. Be a legacy builder and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace.